Hello everyone, Escanor here for a new YouTube video. So the title of this video is how Escanor analyze the market. So today you're gonna see how I personally analyze the market, cause you're gonna see part of our last recorded Zoom call that we did in the last Sunday. So you're gonna see analysis for a couple of pairs, and you're gonna see after that, or we're gonna show you the reaction of the market after this analysis. So during this video you're gonna learn the logic behind this analysis. You're gonna learn how to analyze like me. Of course, if you like it, the way that I see the market, I hope you're gonna learn from it and develop your skills. This analysis is from our private Discord. Okay, so enjoy. Let's start with Euro USD. So for Euro USD, from the daily, I already said that we have some liquidity level here, still didn't ride it, and we have this daily demand. So now currently, from the price, from this piece of price action, so we're gonna drop to the 4-hour. Here we have clearly some liquidity got swept above this high here, did the reaction that we see after taking this high and this high also here, because this one is, this order block here was a smart money trap. Okay, so we took the liquidity above the smart money trap and above this high, and we start push to the downside. Okay, after this push to the downside, we left behind this fair value gap. Okay, like you see, the price come back all the way to this fair value gap to swipe the liquidity above those equal highs here and mitigate this fair value gap, and then continue into the downside. But from swiping liquidity from a higher time frame point, we need to see a clear reaction or a strong reaction. So after taking this high, we didn't see the strongest push to the downside. If you come back to the daily, you're gonna see that the price is a little bit range in here about this area, and we still have this fair value gap didn't mitigate it. So this is the first indications. So now currently what I'm looking for, the first scene, so there is two scenarios on Euro USD. The first scenario, we're gonna look for a short from one of those supplies. So if we select the whole supply, will be like this. So we're gonna take the whole one on the 4-hour, okay, or the 3-hour also, it's the same. So let's stick on it. So the fair value gap, we can refine it to all the way to this point. So there is two scenarios we're gonna look for on Euro USD. The first scenario is looking for long position or long to continue pushing to the upside, since we start seeing huge push to the upside after taking those equal lows here. So a lot of traders still waiting for price to come back all the way to this order block, or all the way to this order block here, but the price could easily continuing without coming back to those areas. So now on the lower time frame, on the 13-minute time frame, clearly we've seen here a swipe of liquidity above those equal highs and a drop, and we generate more liquidity here and took the equal lows here, and we start seeing some price action to the upside. So now currently the last swipe of liquidity happened. Let's draw this one here. The last swipe of liquidity happened here. Okay, and then we left this 13-minute order block, very, very clear and nice order block, and we have this low here need to be swept. So the first scenario we're gonna look for during London session tomorrow, we're gonna look for long. If we set, or if we see in the Asia session here, we're gonna look for long after a mitigation from this order block. Okay, and our target will be this high here, or the supply as a first target. So if we see a nice momentum to the upside, so we will ignore this supply, okay, and keep our target all the way to this high here. Okay, so this is for your USD. For USD CAD from last week, we talk about very, very nice analysis, and at some point I don't know how I didn't see the 9-hour time frame. So I was looking for some supply here on the 4-hour, I think. Yeah, this supply and another supply on the 3 hour, the extreme supply here. Okay, because we have swing high got taken out here. We didn't give a clear reaction like you see here. This reaction here, it's a little bit like retracement. We tap into discounted demand and push again. We took the liquidity above this high, and then we generate equal highs, and then took the equal highs, and we seen the real push to the downside. We tap here into, after we took this liquidity, cause why this point here is a point of liquidity. Even we took the equal lows or a triple bottom, but a lot of smart money traders look for this order block to take a long. It's too obvious here because we have here imbalance. It's a new structure point. They will take the fib, the extreme order block. They will look for a long from this order block. Okay, it's too obvious to look for long from it. This is why the price just tap into the order block that rests below it. This one here. Okay, it's not obvious, this order block. It's doji candle, equal candle. No one look for this candle. This is why we consider this. I personally considered this order block as, sorry, why I consider this order block as a point of liquidity. We took the liquidity below this order block, and then we push all the way to mitigate those supplies. Okay, yeah, on the 4 hour will be clear. Yeah, little bit clear on the 4 hour, but it's when we compare this order block with this order block, this one looks very, very obvious. This will be a nice trap. Okay, a lot of traders will like this zone and look for a long, will look for a long from it. Especially I ignored this order block when I seen this momentum to the downside. Okay, after seeing price come with a huge momentum, keep in your mind that everything that goes down will go up, and everything goes up will go down at some point. We push strongly to the downside, and then at this point we start slowing down. So at some point price will reverse. So this push here, it's not the same as this push here. It's kind of slow retracement. Okay, so now I share it in the private Discord, two zones, this one and this one, to short from it, but I don't know how I didn't see this as a liquidity point anyway. So even this one here, it's very, very obvious for smart money traders anyway. So we didn't get a confirmation here. This is why I didn't short from it. So we took the equal highs here, and we took this high here as last point of liquidity. We mitigated by a pip this last supply, and we seen this strong push to the downside. So now for my entries, I'm looking for a specific zone. I don't remember exactly which time frame. I don't exact. Let me check. 21, no. Anyway, it's about 58, 57. Yeah, this is time frame 29 time frame. This is, so we're gonna look for this last supply on the extreme of this range, to not the central, okay, to the right. Okay, so now currently on your USD, this will be some kind of break of structure. So there is two scenarios now, looking for price to retrace and give us some reaction or some liquidity here, then looking for short. So I expect the price to retrace from this demand, start the retracement from this demand, okay, or take this high, give us deep mitigation, give us a confirmation, and then looking for short. So this is now currently on USD CAD, I'm looking for those two scenarios. Okay, so for JPP AUD, we shared those two zones. Price tap into the zone. I took some short here and then closed it at break even because we was at a bad time. So we're gonna wait for confirmation from this zone or from this zone. So simple. The target will be this liquidity level. Okay, like you see here, we have multiple demands almost at the same level. The first demand here respected at this level, the same demand here at this point. If we expanded this rectangle, will be the same demand. So we have a lot of liquidity got generated below those lows here. Okay, so we're gonna delete those. So here we have equal lows. So now we have the build also here, the trend line. So I will expect a short from this supply or this supply. Okay, so the highest one is the high probability. Okay, for hello, Escanor, welcome back. So we reached the end of this video. I hope you learned something new today or developed your skills a little bit. Just quick update about our private Discord mentorship. I want to say we already yesterday opened 5 slots for new member to join to our team. Already 2 slots got taken, so only 3 slots are available now. If you are interested to join to our team, you can check the link of our free Telegram channel in the description. You're gonna see the post there, all information how to join to our team. So this is it, the chance, don't lose the opportunity. So see you in next video. Escanor, peace out.